Okay, so here we are in Canva, and we're just going to make a simple companion banner for our YouTube ad. So we're here logged in at the home screen. Just click custom size, and it's going to be 300 by 60 pixels. Create new design. And basically, just a really simple design where we just have a background color here. So you can click on the element, then click up here for background color. We'll just pick green. Then we'll put some text. We'll do like a heading, and we'll type in 1K day, and I'll just hit Control A to highlight it all. We'll do the color. We'll make it white. We'll change the size to like 33, and we'll move it. Let's see, how do we move this? There we go. Put it in the middle. That looks fine. Hit share, download, and these settings are okay. We don't need anything there. Hit download, and it just downloaded the file. I didn't give it a name, but you can give it a name, and then it's in your download file. So that's it. That's all you got to do to create a simple companion banner for your YouTube ad.